top 5 fears of intellectual property and what you can do to help recover from those fears. First of the top 5 is cost. It's expensive. Yes, it is. The fastest and easiest way to mitigate your cost is to go with a small law firm. The smaller attorneys, the ones that are not associated with big law, can set their own fees, and those fees can be much more sensitive to the limitations of the purses of their clients than are the fees associated with big law firms. Second is complexity of the IP laws. Laws surrounding intellectual property are indeed complex. That's why you need to hire an attorney. Attorneys have trained to understand these laws, and if they're any good, the lawyer can explain the laws to you in language that you understand. The third is you may be concerned that somebody's going to infringe your work, whether accidentally or on purpose. This can result in costly legal battles. Again, hire the lawyer who does not want to litigate. Hire the lawyer who wants to work with you and get the infringer to actually license the use of your intellectual property, to pay you for it. Fourth can be it's difficult to enforce the rights. Even if you've got the intellectual property protection, enforcing it can be a very pricey thing to do. And it's not always certain that somebody who is infringing will respect the fact that you have intellectual property rights, especially if it's a big corporation that you're up against. Fifth is that intellectual property protection may be available only for certain types of intellectual property, or it may be available only for a certain period of time. So there are limitations in the protection of intellectual property. It doesn't always last forever. Sometimes it does, but only very special cases of intellectual property last forever. And there's very little you can do about that.